girl Shanties here, and yeah, so we're back. And currently what's going on in my life is a move. Packing is really one of my least favorite things. I am such a hoarder because when it comes to moving, I have all this stuff and I don't even know where it came from. I've already done a little bit of packing though in my room. So don't be alarmed, it's pretty messy in here. And I would use the excuse because I'm moving, but honestly, I just gotta do better. So this is what I've done in the closet so far. I've packed 4 boxes, right? And honestly, the lazy me, you know, encouraged me to just keep everything on the hanger because why not? Like, work smarter, not harder. So in addition to packing up like majority of my closet, I did successfully pack my books. These are my babies that were in my little bookshelf. This is exactly why I call myself a hoarder, because what even is this? I'll catch back up with y'all when I get some done. Like, I want to like reenact that scene from Sex and the City where all the girlfriends came together and they were helping, what's Sarah Jessica Parker name? Carrie. Yeah, they were helping Carrie move, and they had their boxes and they were labeling it as keep, toss, or storage, I think it was. And so I kind of like want to reenact that scene, like me and my girls sipping on champagne, getting dressed in the closet, wearing all throwbacks and stuff, and then rating whether or not I need to toss it or keep it. That's how I feel about this. Like, should I keep this curtain? Will I ever use it? I might. Why not? I don't know. I'm just gonna keep it for good measure. That's what we're gonna get. So I've made some pretty good progress with my packing, I must say. I'm actually headed to Goodwill right now. I did a nice thorough spring cleaning of Layla's closet. It's a bunch of clothes and shoes that Layla has either outgrown, doesn't like anymore, she's never even worn actually. But I didn't want to just toss them, and it's always good to get back. So I'm just gonna drop them off right now at the donation center. Here are the bags right here. So, as you can see, several bags that I have to get rid of. I just picked up the U-Haul, this big 26-footer. Now, personally, I don't mind driving big trucks. So it's not an issue for me, but yeah, this is a big boy. I told him to come downstairs because I needed help, make sure I didn't hit anything with trying to park in these small spots. Stop. Tyson, I still need to.
My fiance needed me, so I'm here. My fiance needed me.
Come on.
So I'm here.
Yeah.
This is what she does when she's moving and everyone else is doing work. This is her. Look, check this out. This is her. The moving diva.
You're not moving anything.
The moving diva.
You're not assisting.
I did.
So as you can see behind me, We have everything moved into the new place. At least majority of the big things. We still have a couple of little knickknacks that we have to go back and retrieve from the apartment. But now, as you can see, the unpacking process, which is just about as fun as the packing up process.
Just moved in.
I did.
That's nice.
Thank you.
Excited?
I am.
Just moved in?
I did.
Okay.
Yep.
That's cool.
Now I have to do the whole unpacking part.
That's the fun part.
Right.
See that mirror right there? That's the same mirror at home.
Oh, you do? Move out your way.
I love it.
Good morning, love. So I'm up early back at the apartment because I want to do a final walkthrough as well as a pre-cleaning before I, turn in my keys. I do have a cleaning company that's coming, but I just didn't feel right if I just left the apartment as is. It's pretty filthy, especially with having a dog. It's just like, it's never not dusty or not having fur everywhere. So for those of you who are wondering, why am I moving? I don't enjoy it. Trust me, I will say that, but this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom. I'm gonna give you an empty apartment tour in just a second, but I pretty much just outgrew it. I stayed on the 3rd floor here, which as far as having neighbors is concerned, it was great because I don't like having neighbors above me stomping all over the place. But with a dog and groceries and things like that, it just really wasn't sustainable in my personal opinion. So I needed to move. It's just really important to me to be in a place and space that I feel like is home. And that's what I hope to achieve with this new place. It's in a better neighborhood, it's quieter, better school system, and that's essential for me and my growing family. I'm making a transitional as far as my relationship is concerned, and I wanted to make this quantum leap as well so we could continue to expand and flourish and grow and thrive in life. So this I feel really good about this. So that's the walk-in closet. Across from that, we have second closet. Okay, now here we have the master bedroom, the patio door. Here's the master bathroom right here, and it has a linen closet as well. And the garden tub in here, shower, as well as the double vanity his and her sinks area. On the other side of the apartment, we have the 2nd bedroom. It has a small walk-in closet. Outside of the 2nd bedroom, we have the guest bathroom. Well, before you get there, you'll see right here. Hold on, let me turn this light on. Another linen closet. And then this is the 2nd bathroom, or guest bathroom, right here, which has a singular sink and just a standard tub inside of it. Kitchen, you have the pantry area. And then you have your stainless steel appliances. This was the renovated or upgraded apartment that they had. And it has, the backsplash on it, the granite countertops, as well as the wooden floors. The standard apartments just come with carpet all over. Had the big extended patio, which of course, again, you can walk out through the living room or you can come out through the bedroom door right there. So, about to go ahead and just toss my hair up in a bun so that I can get cleaning. Okay, so I'm done sweeping and mopping. I want to make sure that the cleaning company tackles the kitchen, okay? Because my least favorite thing to clean is the oven. I'm just letting the place air out right now because there's a lot of fumes. I know that you're technically not supposed to mix Clorox and Pine Sol together, but that's what I used to clean when I was growing up, and to me, it's not clean unless I have Pine Sol and bleach. So I'm just letting that air out. I am in need of a shower. I'm tired, dirty, smelly, stinky, all of the above. And I'm about to head back over to the house so I can take a shower. So come along with me so I can show you my new spot. Alright, so let's take a look inside. First things first, we have this yellow accent wall that is going to be the first thing that I paint. This is first room, which is going to be used for office space. And the blinds add some natural light up in here. All right, and then we have the guest bathroom right here. Standard tub, standard bathroom. So across from the entryway, we have this nice little nook right here so we can place our shoes right there. And then we have the guest room right here, and then we have the garage. This is what the garage looks like. Spacious two-door garage. Perfect. All right, and let's take a look into the guest room. Or the third bedroom right here. Next up, and like I said, here's the wall. Definitely painting this because it's a hideous color. Let's come in closer, and this is, I think this is the laundry room. No, it's the storage closet. So, all right, and so here we have the kitchen with the stainless steel appliances. I really like the island that is in here. In the kitchen, we have the pantry. Refrigerator. From the kitchen, we have the dining area right here, which is open, which brings you into the living room area as well. We have the gas fireplace over here. We have the mount for my TV right there as well. And so right here, we have the remote that controls the ceiling fan and the light. Next up, we have the main bedroom and the master bedroom. Next, let's take a tour of the master bathroom. We have the shower. Over here we have the Jack and Jill sinks, the double vanity. From the sink, we have a separate toilet area. And it has a buffet right in the bathroom. It also leads you to the master closet or the walk-in closet. Will it be enough room to hold all my stuff? Guess we're just gonna have to find out and see. Okay, next up, let me show you all the exterior of the backyard, which is extremely spacious. So, what is your first impression? Huh? Oh, he has plenty of room to play. I think it's safe to say that he likes it. But yeah, so there you have it. Empty house tour. welcome home.